Minister began his trip to India with a visit to a JCB factory just one day after the company was embroiled in controversy after its bulldozers were used to illegally destroy and demolish Muslim homes and businesses in Delhi.
The BJP used JCB diggers to bulldoze Muslim shops and homes and the gate of a mosque in New Delhi.
How much does the Modi administration have to criminalize the act of being Muslim in India for us to say something? And I ask you again, what will it take?
Scholars are now literally warning about genocide there. Minorities, from Christians to Muslims and beyond, are facing the greatest threats to their existence since India became independent in 1947.
What do you see India's role is going to be going forward in dealing with the issues of Islam globally?
Stephen Blank, you described many positive changes in India. One change many feel is more worrisome, and that is the erosion of the constitutional commitment to a secular state and the rise of a very politicized Hindu nationalism. Can you comment on this, please?
Prime Minister Modi, India is being pushed to the brink of a genocide. India is no longer a democracy because of him, but an electoral autocracy, and members of his party are calling for genocide.